Hello, today I'm going to show you one way to grow radishes at home without a garden and without fancy garden equipment. I bought the packet of radish seeds at the supermarket and a bag of compost at the supermarket, and I brought them home. I read the instructions on the back of the radish packet, and I'll be following those closely over the next few weeks. But to get started, I went back to my recycling bin and found some trays, a nice deep one on the left and a shallower one on the right. I'm going to have a go at growing the radishes in the left-hand one, and I'm just going to be growing the leaves. I'm not going to let the radishes grow to full size in the smaller tray. I'm only interested in the leaves. I'm going to pick those and add them to salads and put them on my sandwiches. Before I put the compost in, I punched some holes into the bottom of the trays, and I used a knife for this, so I would expect you to ask an adult for help with this particular job. The holes are important because you need to let the extra water drain out of the bottom of your tray rather than leaving your seeds to sit in the water. I didn't have an indoor watering can, so I made one with an empty milk bottle. I rinsed it out and then I made some holes in the top. And to do that, I used the screw to punch the holes and the rock in place of a hammer. And it punched through quite easily. That wasn't a difficult job. Your watering can will work really well. As you can see, the water comes out in a nice trickle, which is exactly what little seedlings like this need. So I'm all set. I'm looking forward to seeing how my radishes grow, and I'm looking forward to be eating the radish leaves quite soon. They're already almost there, so that'll be fun. Have a go yourself and enjoy your radishes.